Oh, we're gonna kill him on this.
Amen.
Rugged man. Tell him who you are.
This is hope. Wop, wop, wop,
Hey, yo.
wop, wop, wop.
Hey yo, ladies love rugged, I'm a Casanova. And once I make love to you, baby, it's all over. Your boyfriend beat you up, call me if you need some loving. Or if he's corny in the bed and you just need a good fucking. I'm living every man's dream. I'm in my mid-30s and I'm strictly fucking bitches that are barely 18 in bed. Women say, ooh, he's clever. When I'm dead, chicks will probably miss me more than the late Heath Ledger. Yeah, they love me long time. It's like it's 89 and I'm Christopher Williams and I'll be sure combined. I never leave her, man, either damn it, I need her, she a diva. Lend her the visa, to feed her, please her, I'm eager to ease her. Turn on your radio, chica chica, I know my voice turn you on. Take off your panties, make love to the speaker, come on.
I'm tearing up that butt. They always make me feel at home. Never leaving me alone, never leaving me alone. I swear they love the dick, drip, drip. They don't forget my bones. They often long to bring me home. Never leaving me alone, never leaving me alone.
Back from dead.
Hey yo, figure the way to get paid is to grab the mic, rehearse, you know. Smooth as Jermaine, so baby, don't take it personal. Say I'm arrogant and cocky, well, who me? Kissing on your neck, woman, you can't refuse me. I got a crush on that big bitch, Missy Elliott. After I fuck Missy, maybe she could write me a hit. Your man repeatedly cheating, I'm treating you decent. We meeting, I'm leaving you screaming, fiending, reaching, you're making you weak. And call me Mandingo Kenny Norton. It's true, I'm the ugliest dude getting pussy since Billy Bob Thornton. You need drugs, I could get them, little coke for your nose. In the clubs, it's how you get models to take off clothes. In high school, I was the type always beating up teachers and getting head from the cheerleaders under the bleachers. Moving to Jeffrey Osborne, more buttery than popcorn. Beautiful women all over the globe, keeping my cock warm. So don't be jealous that you're stuck home.